Hey guys, it's iPod Pro here, and today I will be showing you guys the top 5 reasons why you should not build a computer right now. In the number 5 spot, we have RAM prices. RAM prices have been increasing steadily throughout this whole year. At the beginning of the year, I could find 16 gigabytes for $60. Now I can barely even find 8 gigabyte models for $60. As you can see on the chart, it will show you guys the RAM prices, how they have been increasing. But right now, RAM prices are horrible, and I would suggest to stay away from building a computer at least till the end of the year. In the number 4 spot, we have graphics card pricing. Graphics cards have gone way up in price due to the recent mining craze that has happened for the last 6 months. Previously, where I could buy an RX 480 for $160 or $180, now I can barely find them for under $300 or under $250 because they go out of stock so quickly. Luckily, the Bitcoin mining craze is ending, so graphics card prices are going down because there's enough stock for everybody. I would suggest buying a graphics card after Christmas since there will be a huge sale, as well as next year there will probably be much lower prices for a graphics card than this year. In the number 3 spot, we have broken computer parts. Although this can happen any time of the year, broken computer parts are horrible because then, unless you have a warranty, you have just lost a lot of money. As you guys can see in the picture, there's just one broken pin on the motherboard, but now the motherboard is useless because the CPU won't be able to fit in. Because of this, you could just have wasted a lot of money, and if you went with a pre-built PC, none of this would happen because all pre-built PCs come with a warranty. In the number 2 spot, we have planning. Now, a lot of planning has to go into building a PC, much more than pre-built PCs. Now, when you're building your own PC, you have to make sure many things are compatible, like your CPU and your motherboard and your case. And if one of those things doesn't work and is not compatible, you could have just wasted $100. One other thing you have to do while planning is search through many different websites like SuperBiz, Amazon, Tiger Direct, eBay, Newegg to find the cheapest prices possible. But this takes a lot of time, and unless you want to waste money, you're going to have to spend a good chunk of your time, like around 1 or 2 months, preparing and finding the best prices. As well as when you prepare, usually you should wait for a big sale. Like, I built my computer during a Christmas sale. Every part I bought was on sale, and it was great because I saved probably $200 or maybe even $300 on computer parts. In the number 1 spot, we have what I think is the worst problem, and that's shipping. Usually when you order from many different websites, like I ordered a hard drive from eBay, most of my parts from Newegg, a couple of my peripherals from Amazon, usually some parts come first, but you can't start building your computer until everything comes in. For me, the worst part was waiting for my Amazon orders to come in. I was waiting for my computer case and my monitor for so long. Everything came, but the monitor came like 5 days later, and I couldn't test or see if my computer was working because I had to wait for my monitor to arrive. And this annoys me so much because unless you order every part from one person, you usually will have to wait for everything to come in, which can be super annoying and can waste your time. In the end, there are many hassles when building your own PC, but right now prices have gone straight up due to RAM prices increasing and the Bitcoin mining craze. Overall, there will always be a small hassle, but if you are able to withstand that hassle, you will be able to save yourself a lot of money. I believe that you should build your own PC, but right now is not the right time to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to watch another one of my videos. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!